Rain, the perfect Halloween treat for farmers and ranchers. The rain from last weekend provided a good dose of moisture for farmers and ranchers in central and eastern Oklahoma. Green map areas received over an inch of rain. Many Mesonet sites recorded over 1.5 inches of rain. The highest Mesonet site was Medicine Park with 2 91/100 inches of rain. Last weekend's rain missed the Panhandle, northwestern, and southwestern Oklahoma areas. Those were the same areas with humidities in the teens on Wednesday afternoon, but humidities were low across the entire state at 3:40 p.m. The highest relative humidity was 30% at Red Rock and Perkins. The lowest humidity was 13% at Hooker and Buffalo. The low western Oklahoma humidities were driven by higher air temperatures, 80s in western areas, 70s in central and eastern Oklahoma. Those warmer temperatures and lower humidities helped increase the fire risk at 3 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, with orange moderate fire danger areas widespread across the Panhandle and western Oklahoma. Fire danger hasn't been a big concern with green growing foliage, but once freezes turn green foliage to dead foliage, the risk of fires starting and spreading when humidities are low will jump. Here's Gary with a drought update and a look ahead.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. I'm here to give you a spooky, scary winter outlook. Okay, it won't be that bad, especially after what we've seen over the last 6 or 7 years, but it is interesting. As you can see, most of the drought, that moderate drought in the light brown, is eradicated from Oklahoma, just a little bit left in far southeastern Oklahoma and also far northwestern Oklahoma. Other than that, just some abnormally dry conditions, those areas colored in yellow. But again, those areas will still have to be looked at as the rain did help, but we need more in those areas. Now for the winter outlook. The interesting news is we do have up to about a 70% chance of La Nina occurring. Now this cooling of the oceanic waters off the west coast of South America and the associated atmospheric pattern changes do tend to bring Oklahoma a little bit warmer and a little bit drier than normal weather during the cool season, especially December through February. So as we look at the winter outlook, keep in mind this classic La Nina pattern. So the outlook from the Climate Prediction Center for winter, this is again for the December through February period, for precipitation calls for increased odds of below normal precipitation across the southern parts of the state, maybe out in west Oklahoma a little bit more as well. Now in the northern half of the state, not really much of an indication in that area. Now for the temperature outlook, we do see also, and we should see this according to the classic La Nina pattern, increased odds of above normal temperatures across all of the state, but again, especially across southern and western Oklahoma. So as we go through the fall, we're going to have to keep an eye on the La Nina development, see if that does indeed bring us warmer and drier than normal weather as we get into the winter, because that can enhance fire danger. So something to watch for. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.